Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to use mask pen tool in our new labeling interface. Let's start. First we need to grab the tool. It is located at the toolbar right here. Also it is accessible by 9 hotkey. Mask pen tool is kind of like a mix between Polygon and brush. As you can see, I can place points as well as annotate objects with my mouse pointer like that. Also, I can correct the position of points while creating the object. To finish creating object, we need to either click on a starting point, which is green, or we need to press spacebar. And as a result, we get mask. To create a new object, we first need to deselect our currently selected object by pressing spacebar. Now we can keep creating objects with the same class, or switch, or then create a new class. We can do it right here. Here we have the option. Zooming in and out of the image is accessible by our mouse scroll wheel, and with mouse 2 we can pan around like that. Before modifying our objects, we first need to select them. We can do this either through the object list on the right, like this, or we can do it through a select figure tool. Right here we can just click on our object. Also, the dotted texture allows us to distinguish selected object from others. As I have already mentioned, our resulting annotations are masks, which means that we can easily add some regions to them, like this. Also, we can fill some gaps in the annotation using bucket fill tool. Also, we can cut certain parts from our annotation, but before finalizing the editing, we need to hold Shift and our line will become striped. And as we let go of the editing, we will see that we cut this part from our mask. And now by holding Shift and using our scroll wheel, we can max out the opacity and see that our annotation has a hole in it. Also, the opacity can be tweaked at the top annotation settings bar, like this. And also there are quite a few settings available, like displaying the meta information about the object near it and randomizing figures instances colors like this. You can click it a couple of times, or we can toggle it back to the default. Also, we have another interesting tool, which is called Polygon Split. It allows us to take a bigger object and cut a part from it and make it completely new object. Let me show. So here I have selected this object, which is car door, and I have grabbed the Polygon Split tool, and now I can just place a couple of points to make a segmentation to select this window right here in a couple of simple clicks. And now this is a completely separate object. We can select it. We can max out the opacity, let's say, and hide it. And we see that there is nothing below this object. And we can then change this object's class to window, like that. That is it for this video. If this video was useful for you, please leave a like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.